Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate this M3GAN look on Dress to Impress. Super simple. You don't need VIP except if you want the skirt to be kind of like similar. If you don't have VIP, then it's okay, you don't have to use the skirt that I'm wearing. So let's get started with the video. For the hair, I just use this hair in this color, A2826A, and I use these. And then for the fit, for the top, I went to the code section and I used this one in shirt only. Colored it this color for the bow, this blue, sorry. And then this like color, CCBA8F. And then for the sleeves, I also use the puffy sleeves. I mean, you don't have to, but I actually like it on it. And then I use these sleeves up here in the striped pattern, in the black and white one, this one. And then for the skirt, again, you can use any skirt that you would like to, but I'm just going to use the one in VIP, which is this one, and the third toggle in that same color. Grab like a knife or a sword or anything. I'm just going to toggle it to high. Then I'm just going to get this and I'm going to color it white. Then I'm going to get this, add socks in black and white, and then toggle it to matte. And make sure on this one, select no feet so it doesn't go out of the shoes, like the stockings. And that is pretty much it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.